How to log in to Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Sausage Man and looking to log into your account, then here is how you do it. First of all, download and install the Sausage Man app on your device and launch it open. Wait for the game to download some necessary details about the game, and once it does, you will come across this page. Here, you can go ahead and sign in or log into your account using the Google option, tap option, or start playing the game as a guest without logging in. Choose your login method. You can use Google, tap, or guest option. I'm just gonna tap on the Google option for now. On the next page, you'll need to follow through the instructions. Choose a Google account, or if you've selected tap, enter your tap ID and password. After choosing the Google option, you'll need to go ahead and enter your Google account's credential and you'll be able to log in. Now, go ahead and follow through the instruction. Create your character, select your gender, your character's appearance, and click Next. Enter a name for your character and create your profile. And there you have it. You can then go ahead and complete the tutorial and you'll be able to start playing the game. That's how you successfully log into Sausage Man account. If you're using a new device, be sure to sign in with the same account you previously linked to restore your game progress. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.